assemble the mise en place. Now put all this in a pot and let it simmer. Ooh, looky there. Apples are nice and soft. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Turn off the heat. Let it cool. We're going to be straining it, so you don't want to burn yourself. Make sure it's nice and cool, because that is culinary napalm. Thanks, Dalton. Alright, now get a wire mesh strainer and a bowl to collect the goodness in, and pour the goodness into that strainer. You don't want to wait till it's down to room temperature, because you got to heat it back up so we can reduce it. In the interim, look at all that loveliness. Use a rubber spatula to really squeeze it against the sides and get as much juice out of it as you can. The drier this is, the better. And put it back in. Light it up and reduce it. Now take this goodness and put it in the old food processor. Take it for a spin. A few pulses will do. There we go. Yep, just want it into nice, small, wee pieces. Yep, small and chopped. There we go. Okay, now put this here pork loin on a sheet. Make sure you have the seam side up. Some of the stuffing falls out. Then go ahead and slide in this pork loin center rack until this right here gets reduced. 7 minutes later. When you start seeing bubbles form on top of bubbles, like that, that's when you know it's ready. So there is a lot of good stuff left in here. Problem is that I brushed the raw pork with it and then dipped it back in for when I glazed it. But that is not a problem if we reheat it, which is important. So get it to boiling, a couple seconds, and you'll be good to go. Use it as a dipping sauce or on top of mashed potatoes. All right, next. Take these off and grab this beautiful pork loin. It needs to rest for about 5 or 10 minutes just so the juices can reincorporate and they don't get squeezed out when you cut it into it. On the top. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright, now that the pork loin loin is nice and rested, we're going to cut into it. I suggest using an electric knife because it'll keep it all together and won't squish it down. It's just the best choice. So let's go and take a look. Look at me, I'm gonna fight! Who gave him an electric knife? My God. I want to finger count after we're done. Alright, so here we are with the pork loin. Let's go ahead and unwrap this beauty. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Yes sir, yes sir. Let me know how yours turns out in the comments. As for me, it's dinner time. Thanks for watching, everyone.